Hey there, ambitious entrepreneurs, ready to dive into the exciting world of small businesses? Today, I'm sharing the top 15 small business ideas for beginners in 2025. These ideas are perfect if you're looking to run a business on your own without the need for employees. Let's get started. Number 1 on the list is, with e-commerce continuing to boom, dropshipping remains a fantastic option. You don't need to hold inventory or worry about shipping. Just find a reliable supplier and start selling online. Next up, this is a great way to create custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without having to manage inventory. Use platforms like Printful or Teespring to get started. Third, let's talk about. These could be ebooks, online courses, or digital art. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and sell them repeatedly. Number 4, this involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. Websites like Amazon Associates and ClickBank are great places to start. Fifth, consider. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Sixth, if you're an expert in a specific field, you can offer your insights and advice to businesses or individuals. It's a high-value service with low overhead costs. Seventh, creating content around a niche you're passionate about can attract a loyal audience. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Eighth, businesses are always looking for help managing their social media presence. If you're savvy with platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, this could be a great fit. Ninth, offer administrative support to businesses or entrepreneurs from the comfort of your home. Tasks can range from email management to scheduling appointments. Number 10, share your knowledge in subjects like math, science, or languages. Platforms like VIPKid or Wazant can connect you with students from around the world. 11th, if you're crafty, you can sell handmade items on sites like Etsy. This could be anything from jewelry to home decor. 12th, even on a small scale, real estate can be a lucrative investment. Consider starting with rental properties or house flipping. 13th, if you love animals, consider starting a pet sitting or dog walking business. It's a great way to earn money while spending time with furry friends. 14th, fitness is always in demand. Offer your services as a personal trainer either in person or online. And finally, number 15, with the increasing reliance on technology, creating useful or entertaining apps can be highly profitable. Learn to code or hire a developer to bring your idea to life. There you have it, folks. 15 small business ideas perfect for beginners in 2025. Remember, the key to success is finding something you're passionate about and sticking with it. Thanks for watching, and happy entrepreneuring.